welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. So today I'm super excited because we have the new WAGNER Heat tool and I'm going to be showing you a really cool project with it. So a while back I showed you how to create these Crayola canvases and I'll put a link in that top right hand corner and it'll be in the blog post as well. And these hung behind me before we had the Halloween decorations, but I did them, she says, in rainbow order, and all I did, and this one clearly needs to go back on, but what I did was I glue gunned them, you can even see my glue line now, all the way along, and then I just heated them with my WAGNER heat tool. Super simple, and then I heated them. And the WAGNER heat tool gets super hot, so it melts really quickly. So I'm going to open my drawer and just cheat and stick those on there. But you can heat them, it goes really quickly. And what I thought I would do is create some pumpkins to go on the back wall there. And I'm going to be creating 6 pumpkins and then I'm going to use them as our outdoor decoration this year, so I don't actually have to carve real pumpkins. But the girls are excited because we loved doing this Crayola craft. So this is the new heat gun and it has 2 settings on it. So there's a 1 and a 2, so it can go like 2 different speed settings. And then it has these little antennas on it, so you can stand it kind of, I'm going to move this pumpkin out of the way. So you can stand it upright, you can stand it as a heat gun on the table, you can reconfigure this any way you want to. But I'm going to use it as a handheld just to make it easy for this craft. So I've taken just some of the polystyrene pumpkins from the craft store. They were originally orange and I spray painted one silver. I've got a pink one for Tilly here, and then I've got 2 black ones, and also the orange ones I just added a coat here of Bubble Bath, which is a COLORSHOT spray paint that I bought yesterday, and it's metallic, so it adds kind of like the Cinderella effect. I did let the girls choose the colours with me, so they may not be the colours I necessarily choose, but we kind of went with the Cinderella kind of fun pink bubbly theme. Hey, who doesn't want a pink pumpkin at Halloween? I mean, who doesn't want that? So we thought it would be fun anyway, but this is just super simple using the heat gun, and some of them I'm going to theme, like some of the black ones here I've got the metallic effects crayons because I think they'll show up really well, and some of the bright colors on there. You can really do any color scheme you want, and you can melt crayons onto pretty much anything. You could do Christmas ornaments at Christmas. You can tailor this craft. So this is really how easy it is. I'm going to start heating up my heat gun, and I'm going to kind of grab my first few crayons, and I'm just going to hold them at the top here. And, whoops, hang on. Don't have enough hands here. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold them and wait for them to start to melt. And you see here how they just start to melt down, and it just melts. So it's like super simple. We just melt some of the wax on and it melts down. We melt some of our wax, and you can kind of do splutters, you can do like drips, so you can do all sorts of kind of fun things. This one looks really kind of spooky and eerie, and I kind of like the sputtery effect too, so you can kind of see how that's going on. I might actually just go down to my 1 step because my crayons are melting super fast. And I think I might grab some other colours on. So you see they melt really fast. The heat gun makes it super simple. So I'm just going to go around. I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to watch me going between colours. But you see how easy this is here. And then if you want to, you can melt those drips too and make them drip down. I mean, it's kind of cool, it's kind of fun. I'm going to have the girls come and help me as well. And then what you can also do is if you'll see this on this camera, you can then just remelt and then hold your pumpkin at an angle, and you see how they start to go down and drip as well. And then you've got these really cool drips on that side as well. So you can see how my pumpkin's starting to get a little bit drippy in the best kind of way that you want for Halloween as well. So I'm just going to go all over my pumpkins. I'll take the labels off as well, and then we'll come back and we'll see our finished wax made pumpkins.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
So that's it, super simple. You'll notice I experimented a little bit with kind of moving the tip of the heat tool around, and you'll find as you go, you'll work out ways that work better for you. Kind of like spraying the wax on is really good fun. You want to make sure you work in a well-ventilated area. Of course, you'll have seen that warning at the bottom of the screen. But we've ended up with some really fun pumpkins. We've got glittery pumpkins here with the metallic effects, so you can try that out as well. This one kind of ended up a little bit like the Nickelodeon goo. This one I feel is more like an art room kind of deal. This one looks a bit more splattery. We've got our super pink one as well. So this looks like our kind of pink girl one. So really, really fun ways to work. These were black to start with. So these were just black craft pumpkins. The other ones were orange, and then I spray painted colors. You could do all sorts of different fun things on there, and then just melt with the top. As I say, you can do canvases, you can do Christmas ornaments, you could do all sorts of fun things. You could do Easter eggs and then melt the crayons down. So you can do decor for every occasion using this tip. Don't forget as well to go over and vote for us in the Wagner Challenge. We really need your votes for this craft. We are super excited to be part of that Wagner Challenge. So hop on over, vote for us. We'll put links in the description and links in the blog post as well. I hope you enjoyed this. Do give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this technique, and of course hit subscribe, because tomorrow is the start of Inktoberfest and we will be giving away craft supplies every single day. We've got coupons every day. We're building an amazing tag book full of new techniques with your inks as well. You can use them for DIY, home decor, card making, paper crafting, scrapbooking, all of those kinds of fun things. So join me tomorrow for the start of Inktoberfest, and I'll see you again soon. Happy crafting, everyone. Bye.